protect you guys, I have to train as hard as I can to get strong. No rest!
Bruh.
But you were right, Lulu. These three needed my help. So I devised the plan of plans. It's an unholy test to determine what kind of demon you are.
Really?
Yup. But all demons can be placed in three categories.
Bruh.
Bug, biped, and beast.
Yeah, okay, everyone knows about the 3 Bs.
Do not interrupt! Now, I'm pretty... So for this test, you're gonna have a duel with a little friend of mine.
A scuffle.
Stop pushing them away!
Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
He's not happy. I'll never make my way into Amity's heart. I mean, make a portal back home. I
Bruh.
have to go.
How'd I know all that? I suppose I'm just attuned to other people's emotions.
P.S. I mean the basement. Cody, I don't have time for this. Also, we have a basement? Amity?
Bruh. Bruh.
I'm so sorry, Amity. This is not supposed to happen.
Are you okay? I hear you. I'm
Bruh.
happy to help.
But I wanted to do it in the best way, and...
Bruh.
When you see this finds its way to King Clothorn.
Oh my gosh, a bug!